Making money online is a dream for many, but turning that dream into reality seems impossible for some. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. There are countless real stories of individuals who started from nothing and earned $10,000 within just 30 days. Let's dive into some inspiring success stories. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, had no experience in online business. She dived into affiliate marketing and earned her first $10,000 in 30 days. The key? Focusing on content marketing and leveraging social media platforms to drive traffic to her affiliate links. James was struggling with his 9-to-5 job. He found freelance work on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, earning $10,000 in just 30 days. Freelancing offers flexibility and potential for high earnings, especially in a profitable niche. Tom started his drop shipping business with Shopify, making over $10,000 in his first month using Facebook ads. Starting an e-commerce store with drop shipping can lead to fast profits with effective marketing strategies. Maya created digital products and promoted them on Pinterest and Instagram, achieving $10,000 in sales quickly. Digital products have high profit margins due to low overhead costs. Selling on Etsy can be extremely profitable. David turned his knowledge into an online course and reached $10,000 in sales using platforms like Teachable. Online courses are an excellent way to monetize expertise, leveraging platforms that help you reach potential buyers. These stories prove it's possible to earn $10,000 in 30 days through various online opportunities. The common thread is actionable steps. Making money online requires consistency, learning from mistakes, and adapting strategies. Your $10,000 could be just 30 days away.